So what is up guys, welcome to HT Tech YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I have with me a very good news regarding the iPhone 9 and that is going to be very exciting. Okay guys, this news is regarding the full production of this smartphone and when the smartphone is going to be coming. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you the latest update. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then consider subscribing to our channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, as I have discussed in my earlier videos that the coronavirus is spreading in China and hence the production of the iPhone 9 might get delayed. But guys, recently there is a post by Foxconn itself. If you don't know what is Foxconn, well, it is the manufacturing unit in China of Apple in which all of the iPhones are made, and that basically says that the coronavirus will have no impact with the production of the smartphone. And guys, they are indirectly confirming that they are going to be starting the production of the iPhone 9. So guys, today I have with me a very good news regarding the iPhone 9, and that is Apple has started the testing production of the iPhone 9. Okay guys, whenever Apple comes with a new product, it first starts the testing unit and just they examine properly that is every single part or every single function working properly, and they ship or they manufacture couple of units. Okay, the units are in tens and thousands of quantities, but they first see that is this unit or this all setup, is it sufficient to process the millions of units. So guys, currently the trial production round of the iPhone 9 is happening. Okay, in the Foxconn company in China, iPhone 9 has been assembled for the trial round. Okay, a couple of thousands of pieces will be made and really observed carefully that is every single function working properly. And after that, from 15th of February or from 20th of February, the iPhone 9 will enter into the mass production. Okay, millions of units will be manufactured of the iPhone 9, and I have made a video earlier in which I have showed you the first possible look of the iPhone 9. So guys, you say anything, but this iPhone is going to be a great hit. Okay, this iPhone SE2, which is going to be coming under the name of iPhone 9, is going to be a great product. Okay, it is going to be a smaller end iPhone for those people who like to have the smaller hand experience. This is an iPhone which you can go and buy. Okay, it is going to be an entry level iPhone, the cheapest iPhone in the iPhone lineup. And I want to say personally, the Google Pixel 4a is going to be coming with the price tag of $399, and the iPhone 9 is going to be coming with the price tag of $399. So both of them are going to be the direct competitors to each other, and overall the iPhone 9 might not be the craziest smartphone in the specification department, but it is definitely going to be a great hit. So guys, in today's video I also want to conclude one more factor, and that is regarding the India pricing. Okay, the pricing was expected to be from 30,000 Indian rupees to 35,000 Indian rupees, but there is a little bit good news, and that is according to few sources the price tag of the iPhone 9 will be exact 30,000 Indian rupees. Okay guys, for the price tag of 29,900 rupees possibly the iPhone 9 is going to be starting, and I think this will be a great hit. Okay, for the price tag of 30,000, if this iPhone will be launched, then the pricing gradually will decrease a lot. Okay, the pricing might even come to 25,000 Indian rupees, who knows. But guys, in today's video I wanted to give this small little update. Hope you have liked today's video. So guys, whenever I make a video on the iPhone 9, there are so many comments that say that should we buy the iPhone 9 or should we buy the iPhone XR. So guys, I'm going to be making a brief video regarding this topic. You will get this video in the weekend, but I want to say, like, in this video I will cover basically everything that are the differences between the iPhone 9 and the iPhone XR, and which kind of user should buy which smartphone. So guys, if you want to stay updated regarding this video and overall from Apple's ecosystem, then please consider subscribing to our channel, as it really motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.